So what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7:30 o'clock in the morning.
Every day? Okay, then what do you do after that?
Then I dress.
Okay,
I
you get dressed. Okay. Then what do you have in your breakfast? Do you have the same breakfast daily or you keep changing it?
get 30 breakfast per day.
What do you have in breakfast? What do you eat in your breakfast?
I eat breakfast.
What do you eat in the breakfast? You eat poha, you eat samosa, you eat jalebi, or you eat chapatis. Okay. Every day you eat chapatis? Okay, very good. Chapati with pickle or with vegetables? Okay, very good. Then what do you do after that?
Then I'm ready.
Okay, you are ready to come to class. So after the class, do you go to college every day? So when is your first class at college? When is your first period?
Zoology.
No, I'm asking when, not asking what. I'm not asking about the subject. I'm asking when is your first class? What time your first period starts?
At 12:15.
Okay. You should say my first class or my first period starts. Starts, ना? Indefinite tense है, तो it starts और class singular है तो s लगाएंगे. So my first class starts at 12:15, 12:30. Okay. How many periods you have daily?
40 minutes.
Okay, you're talking about the duration. So one period is of 40-minute duration. How many periods you have per day?
12:30.
Arti, you're very much frightened actually. So you're not listening to my questions properly. आप थोड़े डरे हुए हो इसलिए मेरे सवालों को ठीक से सुन नहीं पा रहे हो. I asked how many periods you have daily.
3.
Did I ask you, Lakshmi? How many periods you have daily? 3 periods, 4 periods, 5 periods. Okay, 3 periods. First period is of zoology. Then second period, okay, chemistry. And after that, what do? You go home. Then what do you do? Be confident, Arti. Confidently job this. Again you eat breakfast after उसमें दिन भर नाश्ते करते हो कुछ और खाते हो राइस दाल वगैरह कुछ खाते हो okay then you eat your lunch. What time you eat your lunch?
At 2:30.
At 2:30. Okay. Then what do you do after that?
I rest in my room.
You rest for some time. Okay. Then
And operate my mobile.
okay, then you operate your mobile. You check your messages. Okay. Then what do you do? Can you tell us in detail like what do you do after that?
I wake up
Okay.
5
Okay.
p.m.
Okay.
in the evening. Then I study
Hmm.
for some time.
How long do you study?
6:30.
Okay. Means for 1.5 hours you study daily. Every day. Which is good. Okay. So in 1.5 hours you study all the 3 subjects, zoology, botany and all, or you study only one subject for 1.5 hours? How do you distribute it? Every day you read all 3 subjects or you read one subject in one day? One subject one day. Okay. So what did you study yesterday? What chapter did you study? Now we have come to past, if you can recall. Till now we were in present tense. We were talking about our daily routine. So we were in present indefinite tense. Now we have moved to past.
Chemistry, paradise table.
Okay. So yesterday you studied chemistry paradise table. Okay. For 1.5 hours. Okay. So what are you going to study today?
Today I study.
Today I am going to study. Complete sentence, पूरा complete sentence होगा. Today I am going to study. Okay, so today you are going to study spoken English. Okay, very nice, Arti. Very good. Just